he stop? He doesn't work anymore? Oh no!
Do it to mommy.
Oh shit.
Say hi, Auntie Jen.
Hi, Auntie Jen.
Blow her
Hi,
kisses.
Uncle B. Hi, Uncle B.
Hi, Uncle B.
Say hi, baby Mason.
Hi, baby Mason.
Give him a kiss. No, give baby Mason a big kiss. Good job, buddy. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, say I love you.
I love you, Mama.
See you in a few weeks.
We'll see.